All right, what's up, guys? This is Mark Augustine here. And who am I? I've been dropshipping. I've been in e-commerce for about 10 years. I've sold on eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Walmart, Facebook. I've built a big automation business. A lot of those guys are still managing a lot of accounts. And in this video, what we're going to do is step one to eBay dropshipping product research. So you want to like the video, subscribe to the channel, look in the description for a link to my Facebook group so you can join Facebook. So what are we going to do? So first of all, if you're new to the channel, there are a mix of different type of videos. I interview a lot of people who run big dropshipping businesses. I've interviewed a gentleman who sold $1 million on Amazon FBA. I'll put a link to that description as well, so you go check it out. Those are long, in-depth videos of people making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. Why do I do these things? To motivate you guys, show you guys different type of people that make money online. That's one. Two, I also do a number of product research videos. I show you guys how to actually find items to sell on Walmart or Facebook or Amazon, on eBay. Why? Because that's the lifeblood of your business. If you don't know what to sell successfully at a profit from certain suppliers, you're not going to make any money. And that's one of the biggest errors in the process of dropshipping, because a lot of people think you start a dropshipping business, you just upload a ton of items and they would sell. No. That's not how this works. Whatever platform you're selling on, if you sell on eBay, you have to understand the nuances of eBay. If you sell on Amazon, you have to understand that Amazon has a lot of traffic, but all the listings are pretty much the same. If you sell on Walmart, you have to understand that you cannot sell at scale from Amazon to Walmart because of a lot of different issues. You want to work with wholesalers, you want to work with more obscure suppliers for Walmart. So the one I've been selling on for the longest, and I've stopped and started back depending on how I feel, is eBay. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you guys the first step to very high quality eBay dropshipping product research. What is that process? It's called sniping, pretty much something that I invented. You find items, first of all, forget find items. You first find drop shippers. You find other people selling on eBay that are drop shipping from suppliers. You build a list of those sellers. After you have that list, then you go ahead and sell items that these guys are selling successfully, maybe at a lower price or with a better title or with a different image. But you're using this list of actual drop shippers or other people selling. So you're not taking all of their items. You're only taking their best selling items because those are the items that sell regularly. So this is what I'm going to do. This is step one to eBay dropshipping product research. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'm not using any software in this video. In the future, I'll be doing product research videos using pieces of software that can help you speed up the process. But if you're starting with little to no money, or if you're just getting into it and you don't want to risk too much money, you can do a lot of stuff manually. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me jump into my computer and see what's going on. Let's show you guys how to do this. So we're in my computer, and what I want to do is I want to start on Walmart. So what I did, I came on Walmart and I searched men's mountain bike. If you guys have followed me for a long time, this is something that I've always searched. And so out of all these items, there are a ton of men's mountain bikes. And remember, all I want to do is find other sellers on eBay selling the same items. So I'm opening this men's mountain bike. I want to confirm a couple of things. I want to confirm it has free shipping. I want to confirm it's sold by Walmart. So let me see. Ships in the manufacturer original packaging. It can be picked up as Walmart. Sweet. I can press Control U. What that does, it gives me access to the code of the Walmart page. I press Control F. I search UPC. Why? A UPC is a unique code to that item. What it is like what you see on the barcode. Then you come back to eBay and search for that UPC. When I search for that UPC, as you can see here, because I did all that stuff to be to save some time. When I search for that UPC, a ton of things come up. It says there are 51 results of people using that UPC. If you see 51 results of people using that UPC to sell items on eBay. Now, the challenge is some of those people are using those UPCs and it's not the same item. So this is definitely not the same item. It's not even the same color. This is not the same item. This is the same item, as you can see, but they edited the image. It's also a sponsored listing, so they're spending some money to get some traffic, and it's a top-rated seller. This is the same item. It made some sales, but it's selling clearly at a loss because on Walmart is 148, and this gentleman is selling for 140, or this gentleman selling for 147. This person is at 185, so it'll be profitable after the fee, after fees and so on. You'll still make a profit. But the purpose of my research right now is to build a list of sellers. I am not looking for to sell this item per se. If it's a good item to sell, maybe, maybe not. But my goal here is not to do that. It's not to sell this item. It's just to find drop shippers. So if you see some of these people are selling at new, other as used, some of them are putting it at brand new. And there are various reasons for that we wouldn't cover in this video. This item is being sold at 175. This item is being sold at 200. This item right, so I have a number of people selling the same item. So this person, that's not the same item, so I wouldn't save him as a drop shipper. This person, I would save him because he's selling the item for way more than selling on Walmart with the same UPC. And I could search the internet to see if there are other suppliers. But I'm just putting Walmart dropshipping. Do I want to use Walmart as a supplier? That's another story. So you wouldn't cover that in this video. But the first step, this person selling this item pretty much at a loss that I could see, so I wouldn't save this person. This person has 3,000 feedback, 100%, so he knows what he's doing. He's selling at 185, so he's making a little profit. He sold, the last one was in September, he sold it for 172. So it was a bit profitable, so I could assume he's a drop shipper. I'm not listing too many items right now. So let's see. So that's 2 drop shippers. This person has 66,000 feedback. I don't think it's a drop shipper. And from this, it says it's being sold in a distressed box. A lot of these guys buy things in bulk, so he may not be a drop shipper. So I would not save him. And I may not want to sell a ton of items from Walmart, right? That's another story. This person hasn't sold this item. He didn't even upload the listing properly. He only has 12 feedback. But a lot of these guys, their value comes in when they're selling. Like if they sell one item really quickly, you could quickly come and snipe it. And I'll go through suppliers and stuff in the future because that has changed a lot. This person has 5,000 feedback. It says home liquidators. Again, he may not be a drop shipper. I think he's a drop shipper because I know what he's doing, but I wouldn't cover that here on YouTube. The dropshipping has become a very secretive business model, marketplace dropshipping. And right now I'm doing these things manually, right? I'm not using any software. In the future, I'll show you guys what software I'm using, the different software options you could have. And you could also check out some videos I did with other people who are dropshipping. I'll put links to those videos because on this channel, I do Walmart product research, Amazon product research, and eBay product research, showing you guys what you can sell on these platforms. But yeah, so the first step of eBay dropshipping product research is building an in-depth sellers list. So you could come back and find what they're selling, snipe them, and either make the listing better, find better suppliers, lower the price, make a better title. But that's the name of the game. So this is step 1 to eBay dropshipping product research and eBay dropshipping, not necessarily using Walmart. Remember, this video, all I'm doing is building a sellers list. I'm finding people that are drop shipping from Walmart to eBay. And you could go through their listings and find successful listings that they're selling and sell the same item. So like the video, subscribe to my channel, look in the description to join my Facebook group, look in the description for past videos that'll help you with training. And have a good one. Ask me any questions in the comment section about different business models, about selling on Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Shopify, Facebook. Have a good one, guys. Peace.